26 years ago, Julian and Ann Bailey began producing punch bowls made of ice, 2 per week. Now, Ice Culture Incorporated is the largest hospitality ice business in the world. The family-owned company produces 25,000 crystal-clear ice blocks per year, shipped to sites in North America, Europe, Asia, South Africa, Australia, Japan, and appropriately enough, Iceland. Over the years, their projects have grown in variety and size. The demand for larger and more diverse ice products drove their pioneering innovations in ice technology. 4 years ago, for example, Ice Culture worked with another ice company to develop the world's first and only 3D ice carving machine. These innovations, in turn, created demand for even larger and more diverse ice products. A staff of 40 people at their facility in the southern Ontario community of Hensall create frozen beauty that dazzles the eye and the mind. Ice Culture provides the coolest products to a hot world market.